wearing shorts.
Because you know that the big fire is near Yucaipa, right? So the fire now, it started on one side of the mountain, it went up, and now it's going down on the other side.
On the other side? Wow.
It's like not going
70,000 acres wide.
So the air is still not clear?
Yeah.
No, you still have a lot of ash in your car.
Oh my gosh. I talked to some tourists and they said like the air has gone up to all the way to Yellowstone, the northern part of Idaho. It's all coming from California, Oregon, and Washington because they all have fires.
It was strong, and it was one of those earthquakes that goes like up and down.
Really?
It wasn't like side to side. It was like
Wow. We've been up since 4 in the morning. Every day we've been waking up 4 in the morning. Because we've been hiking early. Downhill though.
Angel is on the phone talking to his two friends, Andres and Mark, en route to Salt Lake City International Airport, coming from Los Angeles, and we have to meet them at the airport. So they will rendezvous us here in Salt Lake City and join our trip. So that's why he's talking alone. We left early at dawn from Moab and drive to Salt Lake City because we will not stay here in Salt Lake City, and we go keep on driving. After we pick up Andres and Mark and have a breakfast, we will continue driving to Twin Falls, Idaho. So we left early Moab and almost dawn when we leave Moab.
No, we're going to Idaho right now.
oh, where were you guys before?
We started in Arizona, in Sedona, and then Utah.
Andres and Mark join us in this trip because they will celebrate their anniversary, and that they cannot join us from the start of our trip because they still have work. They cannot get the vacation. So from Salt Lake City, we will drive straight after breakfast here in Salt Lake City. We will drive all the way to Twin, Idaho, and see the places there, and we'll be back again, and this time we will pass Nevada, pass to Las Vegas, and going back to home to LA.
He's giving you orientation.
You like minivan?
Oh yeah, he told me, can we keep this car, mommy? Starbucks. Everywhere.
I saw your pictures. You're famous now.
Yes. You took out your boogers? What? On the other side only? What about the other side?
9/11.
Look at the shivers on the 250.
Ah, the gas is nice.
Oh, you know what I saw on the news? So in New York,
Yeah.
now they're gonna charge an extra tax called COVID tax,
Oh my god.
and it's 10% of whatever.
Anything now?
Yeah,
Of your whatever you bought, you
God.
purchased.
of like food, restaurants.
Wait, for everything? Oh
I
my
think it
god.
was mostly on food and restaurants.
Maybe that's why everybody's leaving New York.
Yeah, they're leaving New York.
Have you seen the on
All the rich
news?
people.
The line to the moving van rental is so long. People are renting the moving vans, like U-Haul. They were moving out.
And the problem is the rich people are leaving. Who will pay the poor people? Where will they get the tax?
Because you know how restaurants are all outside only?
Yeah.
And so they don't have too many customers, so
Yeah.
they're adding these tax so
Wow.
that so the restaurants can, survive.
You're right.
But at the same time,
Like everybody else also doesn't
Yeah.
have work. Because some people don't have work either.
Who will
Everybody's
eat?
hard up.
Who will eat in the restaurant when you are no work?
District. Oh, this is their district court. I think this is their district court. That.
This building is the district court. Iota District Court. First time we've been here. Actually, second time.
You
The
drove
first
by it.
time we came, we just passed here on the way to Idaho a few years back. There you go. Tarzan is coming.
He wants to stretch his legs.
Yeah. And that's Tarzan. See?
Tarzan and Jane.
I don't think Tarzan is King Kong.
Market Street Grill. We were early for our. Can we park on the street? What does it say? Oh, I can. I'll park on the street. Because you pay here too. This is where we're gonna eat. I'm hungry, guys.